Hello student, my name is Manoranjan Dora from Mechatronics and Robotics Lab IIT Guwahati. Today I am going to demonstrate you about the PLC experiment, and with that PLC how we can control an industrial plant and programming of PLC, and these things I am going to explain here. Now on the screen one PLC experiment PLC setup is shown here. So this is the PLC part. You can say sample of industrial plant it is, and this is the PLC. This is the PLC. Okay, this is the PLC unit, and in this PLC unit we have one conveyor belt here, conveyor belt CB. Okay, and these are the some switches, red and green switch. Okay, switch, and this is the power source. So with this PLC we are going to control this sample of industrial plant with this conveyor belt, and it has some sensors also, and it has some 3 numbers of single acting cylinders. Okay, so whole these things are connected with this PC. This PC, it has one software that is called RS Logic 500 starter. Okay, so how it look like, I am going to show you. Okay, if you open from start menu, this is the software RS Logic 500 starter. From here you need to go to file menu, and select the particular processor, because this software is compatible to many numbers of PLC, many different kind of model, but particular what type of processor available with your particular PLC, that particular processor you need to select first, then only your PC will able to communicate with this PLC unit and your industrial plant. Okay, and this is the top view of the PLC experiment. You can able to see clearly. So this is the conveyor belt. Okay, conveyor belt, here is the cylinders, single acting cylinders. This is the DC motor. Okay, so this is the PLC unit, PLC. So this is the power source. Okay, so here these are the switch. Okay, this is the top view of this industrial plant. So this part, these wires, this is called input device connector. This interface is called output device connector. Okay, so how to find that what interface will connect to what to where? Okay, in this PLC, if you see closely, this side is called input interface and other side is called output interface. Okay, for input interface you need to connect these input wires, input device wires, and for output device, from here these wires you need to connect to these output ports. Okay, now how you can specify that what are the output and what are the input devices of your industrial plant? Just simply say switches. From switches you can control a DC motor, so switch is an input device. From switch you can operate a single acting cylinder or double acting cylinder, so switch is an input device, cylinders are output device. From sensors also you can take input and you can run any output device like motor or cylinder. So switches, sensors, these are called input devices. You need to connect with this input interface. And cylinders, motors, those you need to connect to output interface wires. So here in PLC also, this side is grouped with different ports with particular color codes. For these are called input interface and these are for output interface. Okay, these are for output interface. Here also some port numbers is given. Okay, port numbers are given. So how to write the program with this different and how to connect the ports, all those things I will going to show you in my next video. And all the data sheet or all the manuals we will send separately with this video. Okay, thank you.